Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the class of biology. Today in this video we are going to do some extra questions of natural resources and you all are going to note down these questions in your book. Okay? So let's begin with that. The first question is, name the three processes in which oxygen is used. You have to name any three processes in which the oxygen is required, the oxygen is necessary. So, for that the processes are combustion, respiration and in the formation of oxides of nitrogen. Then, name two oxides formed by burning of fossil fuels which are responsible for acid rain. You have to name two oxides formed by, means you have to name the oxide which are formed due to the burning of fossil fuels and that oxides are responsible for the acid rain. So we know for the acid rain the sulfur is responsible and sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide is responsible. So by burning the fossil fuels, the nitrogen, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are formed and in the atmosphere will get dissolved in the rain and will come in the form of sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide. Next question, name four human activities which cause air pollution. You have to specify the human activities which causes the air pollution. So human activities are, first is fireworks on festivals. Due to that many toxic gases are getting released in the air and due to that the air pollution is getting increased. Then next is mining activities, like dust released due to the mining activities. Lots of dust particles getting into the air and due to that it's getting polluted. Then next is thermal power plants. How this thermal power plants activities causes the air pollution? So we know that in thermal power plants we will need the fuel. So fossil fuel burned in these places and which will cause the air pollution as they will remove out the toxic gases. Then burning of fossil fuels by the industries, automobiles, domestic purpose. Automobiles means these vehicles. You know, nowadays the number of vehicles are increasing day by day. Hence, the usage of fossil fuels will also increase and because of that, the air pollution is rising day by day. So these are the four human activities which causes the air pollution. Note it down and the previous questions also note down. First note down these two, then after you will note down the next two. Note down this also. Next question, define weathering. Write the different means which cause weathering. First you will explain what is weathering and then you will explain the different means by which you what are the causes behind that. So the process of breaking down of rocks into small fine mineral particles is called weathering, and it may occur due to physical, chemical and biological means. You just have to explain. See, if they have asked you the factors behind that which factors are taking in part, then at that time you are going to mention sun, wind, water, etc. Okay, but here they have asked to write the different means which caused the weathering. So at that time you will write physical, chemical or biological means. So in the first we have explained what is weathering. So it's a breaking down of rocks, and in the next we have mentioned that different means of weathering. This kind of question they can ask in 2 marks. Note it down. The next question. Write the composition of soil. On what basis is the type of soil decided? First you will explain that write composition of soil, what is in that, and on what basis. You just have to explain that how the soil type has been decided. Okay, so soil, what is soil? It is a mixture. We know that it is a mixture of different size of particles and rocks and etc. humus. So soil is a mixture. It is composed of small particles of rocks of different sizes, humus and various microorganisms. The type of soil is decided by the average size of particles found in it. As there are different type of particles, so according to that they are deciding, as well as then after according to the particles they are deciding its different rate. Note it down. What is the water holding capacity? These all are getting decide on the base of the types of soil, and the types of soil are getting decide on the base of the particles found in it. Next question. What are the 3 ways by which CO2, students, you are going to write this CO2. This 2 is in subscript. It should be in this way, CO, and then in this way you are going to write 2. Okay. What are the 3 ways by which CO2, or else you can consider it as carbon dioxide, is returned back into the atmosphere? They have asked how it is returned back into the atmosphere. Means how is getting released into the atmosphere. Ultimately this is the question. Okay, that how carbon dioxide is being released in the atmosphere. So the first is by the decomposition of dead organic matter. We have seen many reasons behind that in the carbon dioxide cycle, in the CO2 cycle, carbon cycle, right? In that we have seen that how is being released, how is being taken up, how is being used, everything we have seen in that. So you can mention any 3 of them over here. So by the decomposition of dead organic matter as the product of respiration by both plants and animals, we know as the product of respiration by plants and animals, the CO2 is being released, and as the gaseous waste formed by the combustion of fuels like coal, petrol and etc. Okay. So due to this, while we will use this fuel, and due to the combustion of that fuels, this CO2 is getting released into the atmosphere. So these are the 3 ways by which carbon dioxide is getting released to the atmosphere or returned back into the atmosphere. Note it down. Okay dear students, so today we are keeping up to here. Complete this all the questions in your book. Okay, total how many questions we have written? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So complete this work. Have a nice day. Thank you.